Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Julia coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, September 4th, 2015. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 69 degrees. We are expecting a high of 86 and a low of 68, with partly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Eliana,
Hannah,
Krishna,
Takuda.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports yesterday, the White Sox won against the Minnesota Twins by a score of 6-4. And the Cubs will play the Arizona Diamondbacks today at 1:20. It was a great night at the Hoover happening yesterday. Fun was had by all. And now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Julia. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Last night was fun. We had a good time at the Hoover happening, and in fact, many of you played the games we had there, and you completed your punch cards. So I'm actually going to pull 11 names, and you have won some prizes from the PTA. Please do not go to the office, though, if your name is called for these prizes. We will give the prize and put it in your teacher's mailbox, and he or she will give it to you later today or on Monday or Tuesday. Remember, no school on Monday. It's Labor Day. All right, so our first winner is Kyle in room 120. Let's see, we've got Nathan in room 108. Nicole in room 108. It says Carius in room 121. Yeah, that's what it says. It was crossed out. Carius in 121. Andrew in room 1, I think that's 107. That's 5. We've got Nrupa in 209. Don't want to lose count here. Kason in room 113. Blake in 112. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 more. We've got. Remember to write clearly here. I think it's Dia in 205. Arathi in 102. And the last one looks like it's Indu in 115. All right. So you will get your prizes either later today or next week. Now, we're going to pull some Herbie high fives. This is the first floor egg. We're running a little bit long here. Let's see, we've got Jonathan in 114. Sahana in 114. Wow, already one room is cleaning up. We've got Ruchi in 106. Arush in, looks like 126, but we don't have a 126. So Arush. And then we've got a Kaylin with no room number. We need to practice filling these out. Let's do 2 more. We've got Jayan in 116 and Nathan in 117. Remember, handwriting needs to be legible. All right. Fumbling the ball here. It's kind of like the Packers. All right, we've got Amanda in 204. Landon in 201. Lily in 207. Krishna in 207. Landon again in 201. And 201, didn't you load the egg up last week? Allison in 203. We'll do 2 more. We've got, looks like Rena in 201. I know Mr. Sussage put a bunch in there. I can't read that one. There's no room number. So we'll do one more. Let's see. It's going to be Sayeda in 202. Congratulations to you students here. If you got your name called, come down to the office. One quick thing, Mr. Kyle, you look a little different today. Everybody have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome.
Here is today's interesting fact. Did you know that the names of some cities in the United States are also the names of some states? These include the cities of Nevada in Missouri, Oregon in Wisconsin, Kansas in Oklahoma, Wyoming in Ohio, Michigan in North Dakota, Delaware in Arkansas, and Indiana in Pennsylvania. That's all for today. This week's broadcast was brought to you by the Chimichanga and Tacos Incorporated production team. Have a fabulous Friday.